Hi guys, today we'll be learning about what is entropy and on what factors does entropy depends. So let us start with an example. Suppose there is a football field. Suppose there is a football field and players are lined up before the match starts. And after the match starts, they go and play in their positions. They spread out at a random positions. Now if I ask which one has the greater number of disorder, of course the answer would be this one has the minimum disorder, and this one has the maximum disorder. Now what is this randomness this Prajot is talking about? It's nothing but the randomness of a system. In this one, the players are lined together, so there is less randomness compared to this where they are randomly spread over the field. Now what is entropy? Measure of its measure of disorder or randomness of a system. Randomness of a system. Now let's see three monkeys of physics: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid has the the minimum disorder, whereas gas is opposite to the solid, so it has the maximum disorder. Now, what can we say about the liquid one? It's neither maximum nor minimum. So, what is liquid? It is as intermediate. I hope till here it's clear. Now let us take one more example. Let's suppose a beaker filled with water. A normal water at room temperature, and another beaker what there is same water, but in this beaker we supply heat. What will happen in the second beaker? It's obvious the water will evaporate, right? If we start heating the second beaker, it's obvious that the disorder in the second beaker will increase, right? So if the disorder increase, obviously the entropy will increase, which is same for solid to liquid, liquid to gas. The entropy will be minimum in solid, the entropy will be intermediate in liquid, and it will be maximum in gaseous state. We cannot measure entropy directly, but we can measure change change in entropy. Change in entropy. Change in entropy is denoted by delta S, which is directly proportional to Q. Now why Q? Q is heat. Now why Q? When we supply heat to a liquid, it evaporates and the order disorder increases in the second beaker, which is delta Q, which is represented as entropy, is directly proportional to the heat. Now delta S is also proportional to 1 by T, या फिर or else we can say inversely proportional to temperature. Temperature. Now how it is inversely proportional to temperature? Suppose if we heat two objects, for example we heat one object at 10 degrees Celsius, another at 5 degrees Celsius, which will take the lesser amount? Of course it will be this one. So of course this will be this one which take the lesser, right? Therefore entropy and S is equal to Q by T. Q for what? Reversible. For only for reversible this statement is true. Then what about if it's this entropy is non-reversible or irreversible? It's when delta S is greater than 0. This is for irreversible process. And when it reversible, delta S equals to 0. This is when it is reversible. And what is the entropy for the universe? It's irreversible, that is delta S is greater than 0 for our universe, because of Milky Way galaxy and all planets revolving around us, which keeps on shifting and changing. Therefore the planet has an irreversible entropy. I hope you all understand the topic. Entropy is a very interesting and a vast subject in physics as well as chemistry. So keep learning and enjoy physics and chemistry, or should I say science. Thank you.